So hello guys, I hope you are good. You have seen my thumbnail, tell me your problem and practice with me 30 minutes per day. How? But how? How you can tell me the problem and how you can practice with me 30 minutes per day. Do you know how? Doing a new thing, only for the you. Because I know very well you want to learn the English. That's why I'm doing this thing. You know what? You know, when I was learning English that time, I used to these things. That's why I'm able to speak English in front of the you, and with a confidence. I don't have any fear, not a glossophobia, not androphobia, not a gynophobia. What is the meaning this? Gynophobia means लड़कियों से डर, androphobia means लड़कों से डर, and the glossophobia means public से डर. इन तीनों के सामने आप कैसे बोले? You know, only for this app, I am able to speak English in front of the camera, in front of the people. Every place I can speak English in front of the lots of the people. How? Because I have the confidence. I will make you build your confidence. But how? One app, Hello Talk app. What is it? Hello means it is app only for the learning language app. If you want to learn the English, Korean, Japan, China, whatever, which language you want to learn, you can learn. So, you know, in this video, only for the you. You know, this app useful for you. You know, app and that this app, Hello Talk app, and create your ID. After that, do this thing, and after that, and it is my account ID. Copy my ID and the paste, and after that you must to follow me. After that, I will follow back you. When I create my VR, I will teach you English at 3 o'clock. ठीक 3 बजे मैं अपना VR ऑन करूंगा और आपको पढ़ाऊंगा इंग्लिश, और आपको ज्वाइन करना है मेरा VR, और उसके बाद आप मुझे अपनी प्रॉब्लम बता सकते हैं कि व्हेन यू स्पीक इंग्लिश तो कैसी कैसी प्रॉब्लम आप फेस करते हैं, कहाँ गड़बड़ होती है, किस सेंटेंस में क्या सोचते हैं, ये वो आप सब कुछ बता सकते हैं मुझे, और मैं आपको आई विल गाइड यू हाउ यू कैन स्पीक द फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश. This app is very important and very useful app. Don't skip this video and don't skip this app. Only this app you can learn the English. There are so many apps, but I will suggest you personally this app. You know, you can talk to the video call with me. Like right now you are watching my video, so the same thing you can talk with me in the video call and tell me, sir, I face this problem. How can I solve? So I will tell you how you can solve the problem. So go and do this thing and follow me and share and send me a message. I will teach you how you can learn the English. I will taking only 1 month. Only 1 month you will able to speak English. You will able to speak English. And after that you want to learn English like fluently, like American person, like other person. So I think you have to 2 months. 2 months is enough if you do practice every day. If you want to become fluent person, so you have to spend the time 1 hour, 2 hour, and 3 hour on this app. After that you will able to speak English. But in starting time, 30 minutes per day, it is useful for the you. So do these things and learn the English. This video only for the not a beginner and a fluent person also. I will teach you only for how can I speak the English. How can you speak the fluent English? I will teach you the idioms, the phrases, and there are so many things. So go and download and follow, send me, and tomorrow I will create the room and you can join my VR. After that you can speak the English with me. So, but I will tell you the last thing: like and subscribe my channel and share your friends. He and she wants to learn English. So I hope this video useful for you.